We are going to start with Ielts speaking part 1. Do you like to visit northern areas of your country?
Yeah, I like to visit northern areas because the first thing is they are the very cold area, because we are living in the warmer areas, and so it's my keen interest. I always to visit the northern, especially the Swat and the Kalam areas.
Okay, what do you do when you go to northern areas?
When I visit northern areas, it's my priority to visit the places where when the places I've never seen in past, and the main thing is the snowfall is the main. I always try to visit these areas
Okay.
where the
Do you prefer to visit these areas alone or with your friends or family members?
It's always my preference to visit these hilly stations with my families, because I can easily spend my time with my families and
Families is wrong.
Families.
Singular.
Yeah, family.
You said
with,
families.
Sorry, with my family, and I can also go anywhere else with my brother and my sister, and can also hang out easily as compared to with if I go with anyone else.
Is it expensive to visit these areas in your country?
I think it depends.
It depends.
It depends if that we choose area. If we choose the area the near to our location, that obviously the cost will be the low. But if we choose the area that are too far from our area, then obviously the cost will be increased, and the depends on the hotel expense and how the category we are choosing the hotel and
the
food.
category of hotel or the
And
star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. There are grammatical mistakes which you need to overcome. One last question. What is your favorite mode of transportation?
Uh, uh, I usually use the car, but it's my favorite mode of transport is the railway, train, because I really enjoy whenever I travel on the train, because I can see the sceneries and also we can relax in the train and can eat easily as compared to if we travel on the car or on buses.
All right, that's good. So overall, you're speaking well. You speak fluently. You produce good sentences, but there are grammatical mistakes. Let's go on. So let's move on with part 2. Describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. You should say what it is, when your family had it, how your family got it, and explain why it is important for your family. Any object or anything that has been kept for a long time in your family. So you can start your answer now.
There are a lot of many things my family have, especially these are the old things, and they get these things from the grandparents, like furniture and cutlery and the clothes. But today I would like to talk about the thing. This is the gold jewelry set. Actually, it's a very expensive and a very old gold set, and my grandmother got this set from their parents and
From her parents.
and it's our family heritage. And when my mother got married, my grandmother gave that jewelry set to my mother, and it's our family culture. They be transfer and passes that jewelry set to generation and from generation to generation. And my mother usually wears that jewelry set on a special occasion, and especially on the family festivals and
All right, that's it. You've spoken for 1.5 minutes, but you're using and quite a lot. You're connecting every sentence with and. So you should overcome this, right? Instead of and, you can use furthermore, moreover, additionally.
Okay, I was thinking we just use these things in the third part, like
No,
additionally
you
and
can
furtherly.
use them in
That's
any
why-
part. In part 2, when you're using and with every sentence, it
Yes.
means you are joining them
Yeah.
all.
Yes.
So it's one very long sentence which you spoke in 1 minute 23 seconds. So you should use other words.
Okay.
They are better. There were grammatical mistakes, but overall you spoke well. I mean, as far as fluency is concerned, as far as your pronunciation is concerned, that is good. But you need to work hard with your grammar. That's area number 1. And you need to work hard with your vocabulary also, variety of words, not the same words. Now we move on to part 3. Which do you think are better which do you think are better, old things or new things?
I think the old things having a durability and
Old things have a durability.
have durability, and these things have antique. But if we compare it with the modern things like modern technological gadgets, I think the new things are the better as compared to the old ones.
Okay. As well as family photographs, what are some other things that people keep in their family for a long time?
I think other than photographs, usually people keeps
People keep.
people keep coins and the stamps and also the dresses they got from their parents and grandparents. I think is main.
Okay. In your culture, what sorts of things do people often pass down from generation to generation?
I think there are many things the parents pass their things to their pass down to their children, like dresses and jewelry and in my case I got my dress from my father. It's a traditional dress in our culture, and so I got that dress from my father, and he wear that dress.
He wore that
He
dress.
wore that dress on his marriage.
Okay, all right, that's good. Overall, it's fine, but grammatical mistakes are there, and pauses. You should overcome them. At present, I'll give you 6, but you can even get 6.5. Right? Yeah.